Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop, also starting out Railways. We're going to do an unboxing here. My friend Linnell from Colorado sent some stuff. She said it used to be her dad's stuff and it's been in her basement for a long time. So she thought I could use it, so she shipped it to me and doing an unboxing video. I actually started the video once already, but she packed the stuff so well. An hour of the video would just be getting all the tape and bubble wrap off. So I'm starting it over again with most of the stuff unpacked into their smaller boxes and ready to show. So we're going to go through this stuff and see what we got. Okay, we're going to start with this box. Let's see. We got two metal cylinders with shell on them, or one with shell on it. Ooh, there we go. We got a little water tower. Top slides off. Might be able to use that somewhere. Pretty cool. Okay. Some old railway type buildings, it looks like. Kind of like a little speedster storage place, something like that. Might be able to use that. Some barrels on the other side. Let's get it closer. Some barrels. You see the little track on there. There's no track, but you see the little woodways. Here's another one. Roof needs glued back on. Just another little simple building. No maker marks on it. And this all looks like pieces to another building or something, or just spare parts. Let's go through them. I think they're just spare parts left over from another project. Cool. Okay, the next thing was a little Tupperware type thing. Little pieces. See what's in here. Got a little ladder. Got a little walkway of some sort. Looks like it comes off of something else. Some staircase. Building off a roof. Shed. Ooh, like this. Little dolly. Luggage dolly or something. Ah, this looks like some parts to a locomotive. Of some kind. Another little cart. Some barrels. Chimney of something. Probably for one of the houses I can put together. There's some windows. A barn door. Fake light. I think that's a windmill. And just some little odds and ends. Put those all back in here. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Okay, let's go to the next box. Big box. Ah, another water tower. At least most of a water tower. This is actually a paper wrap to make it look like there's detail there. But the base is actually all pinned together. That little shaking you just felt was the dog walking across. Pretty cool. Okay, we got a roof to a building. Two-tube building. Looks like an old diesel shop or something. It's pretty cracked up. Don't know if it can be fixed. There's the other side. We'll see. I don't know if it's worth anything, but we'll check it out. All the doors are there at least. I think that's what one of those chimneys, that chimney thing we've seen goes on this roof. Okay, this looks like it's vacuum form pieces. Good paint job on it. Looks like a Wild West scene. Pretty cool. And there's another one in here, but it's not all together. But at least this way you can see the vacuum forming. Here's the base. And the back side for it. That's what's in that box. Okay, let's see what else. There's more stuff over here. Okay. We have a Santa Fe Locomotive. Missing some parts. Maybe those wheels and the other thing go to this. Maybe it can be fixed. I don't see anything that can make it connect together anymore. But it'd be cool to see if we can get it running at least. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. Santa Fe dining car. Looks mostly intact. Doesn't have any couplers. Well, there's one coupler, but the other one's missing. I think these might light up. Can't tell. Find out later. Next one is the baggage car. Get a little closer. A couple more in here. Grab the next one on top. Looks like a passenger car. These are all Santa Fe. Santa Fe, I don't know which way. They seem to be missing their little compartment connectors. Unless they're inside. Oh, that's the weight. Guess the weights are going to need re-glued in them. But the bodies are in great condition, so is the glass. So. Let's see, all the way inside. There we go. Observation car. Okay. The observation car, it's missing the railings and all that, but very cool. weights just flopping around in there. And what's in the bottom of this box? Let's see. Okay. We got a little coupler holder, that little thing. And this looks to be the front end locomotive, what's left of it. Looks like a head of cow. Very cool. I look forward to definitely seeing if I can get that engine to at least run. This building is very cool. If I can't get it put together, if I can't get it together, maybe I can cut it so it's like a wall facade one. You know what I mean? That'd be cool. The little water tower, I think that windmill might go to this. Maybe I'll put that with the little cottage house I got. Moose. A lot of stuff. I think I'm definitely going to at least use the building off of this, if not the whole thing. Definitely needs washed and repainted. But it's cool, it's got a stack of tires there. And I wanted to get one of these buildings anyway. The wheelbarrow there needs a new arm. It's easy enough. Very neat. Misa likey. Thanks, Linnell. Thanks, Linnell. I call her Jaka though. Jaka. That was a fun little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. All the stuff within was all HO scale, it looks like. So it's stuff I can use. Well, I hope you all enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks, Linnell. And we'll see you on the next video. Be sure to check out our other YouTube videos on here. Subscribe, like, ring the little bell. Check out our blog at moosesworkshop.com. Under the same name, you can still find us on Facebook as well, and Instagram as The Real Moose's Workshop. But hope you enjoyed. Talk to you all later. Have a good day.